See, he did come back. That is crazy. I saw the last video.
He's like the wetness.
Oh, when they were out here the last time?
Mm-hmm.
I heard your motorcycle. Me too. I saw you like.
Everybody knows the guy on the bike with the bird.
He was saying that it was, and we didn't think so, but
Hi, buddy.
that is so cute.
Why can I not?
You just gotta stick your arm up there like this. Just like that. See? He flaps his wings to catch his balance, and he uses his beak like we use our hands.
It's okay.
I promise.
Just hold your hand out like this.
He uses his beak to climb on. See? He don't bite. Just stick your arm out and close your eyes, and you'll climb right on. I bet. Promise. Watch. Just close your eyes.
Just relax, Liam.
Liam, just
Trust me. He rides on the motorcycle.
Why do you
man.
have water, Nicholas?
hold your hand.
Alex.
It's so scary.
Nice. Here, I'll put him on your shoulder. How's that?
It's okay. It's okay.
Look,
It's okay.
I promise. He's not gonna bite.
He's not.
He's not gonna bite.
Liam, it's okay.
Oh.
Yeah, be gentle. Don't freak out,
Don't be
Liam.
afraid of him. I promise you, he's
You
not
like to
gonna
be
hurt you.
ticklish?
We have one at home that's ticklish. If you hold her upside down and scratch underneath her chin, she starts laughing.
Oh,
She's
really?
Ticklish.
Oh, yeah, she's ticklish. She's actually ticklish. Oh, he got on the motorcycle. Oh, he got on the motorcycle.
She loves it.
That is so funny.
Well, would he fly off?
No,
I heard
can't
the
fly
motorcycle.
away.
I can hear the bike from all the
because I
way
trim his wings. See how those are? See how these are cut short?
Does it hurt him when you cut them?
Nope. It's just like cutting your hair. You cut these like that. It's just like cutting your hair, and then it grows back just like your hair. You ain't gotta be afraid of me, buddy. Trust me.
It's okay.
Watch.
You got
You want to show you a trick? Here. You ready, Carl? Hang loose.
Do you have a different trick? Can you go 100 miles per hour on this thing?
No, but my dog can. My dog's been over 100 miles an hour on it. Yeah.